Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna go over 3 of my favorite windlass style tourniquets right now. So let's start with the cat tourniquet. It's got a composite windlass, composite buckles, and it runs a Velcro system throughout the body. Take all the slack out, tighten the windlass until the bleeding stops, and then it'll tuck into the C-clip here. You flop your tail over and secure the whole thing down with this Velcro tab. With the soft T, no Velcro on this guy. The clip's a little different. You can unbuckle this part right here, right? Like the cat, you'll notice the little C-clip here, but you'll also notice the little triangle here, and I'll show you how that works right now. So when you get that nice and tight, the final step on this guy is making sure it is connected in that triangle, and that will make sure this doesn't go anywhere and it's nice and secure. Sam tourniquet. The similarity between this and the soft T is it runs an aluminum windlass, but like the cat, this runs a Velcro body. So you'll notice when I'm taking the slack out of this, if you can hear it, a little click. When you hear that click, you know, okay, all the slack has been taken out. You can tighten the windlass till the bleeding stops, tuck it in the same style of clip here, and just like the cat, throw the tail over, throw over the securing tab, which is Velcro, just like the cat, and you're good to go. All right, guys, stay safe out there, stay alive.